us to convey greetings to all our people, wherever they are, across the length and breadth of the Republic of Kenya. And we tell them that we wish them all the best in this festive period, starting yesterday, today, up to 31st, up to the 1st of next year. We celebrate Christmas. We celebrate Christmas because Christmas signifies the birth of Jesus Christ. And in Jesus, you have got answers to virtually everything. It tells you about love.
To say something about Kenya in comparison with what is happening in the rest part of the world. Ruto all the time is telling us that Kenya is not doing well because of the world economy, because there's a war in Ukraine, and lately has been saying because there's a war in the Middle East. But if you compare what is happening in our neighborhood, in Africa, in the Horn of Africa, we can determine whether Ruto is telling us the truth or whether he is lying. There's an American president called George Herbert Bush who talked about voodoo economics. I can say without fear of contradiction that Ruto's economics, if you may call it Rutonomics, is just jungle economics.
To me, I just want to say, Lord forgive them because they do not know what they are doing. But let us focus on what can unite our people.
Na ripoti